Hey guys, welcome back. I bought actually a lot of items from Born Pretty, and I'm going to show you what I got in this video. There are some things here that I'm going to test out to see if I'm allergic or not. And there are some items in here that I am 100% sure I can use, like a dipping system and some polishes. So I do want to say, if you ever place quite a big order with Born Pretty, and I ordered this through AliExpress because that was easier. I know they have their own site now, but yeah, through AliExpress was easier for me. This took 10 weeks to get to me, long time. But I do have to say we're also in heavy lockdown at the moment, so I don't know if that has anything to do with this. Another fun fact, well, I don't know if it's fun, but this came in two shipments. So the first one only contained 2 products, and it arrived like 3 weeks ago, and everything else just arrived today. So I don't know what's up with that. Because I was kind of worried, like I only got 2 items, do I have to open disputes and all for all the other stuff that I didn't get? But it arrived. It just took a few more weeks to get here. But anyway, I did notice what I really liked about Born Pretty before was their boxes that came with the polishes. Now these have an ingredients list. Okay, so I was kind of expecting the same boxes with this order, but all the polishes just came like this with a plastic cover on them. So no ingredient list at all. If you want to check out the ingredients list, this is a matte top coat, by the way. Please take a screenshot right here. But yeah, so everything that came today, we don't have ingredients lists. So let's just get into it, okay? So first we have the poly extension gel. This is the clear Born Pretty polygel. Yeah, like I said, there's no info on it at all. I don't even know if it's a soak off or not. It doesn't say much at all. So this would definitely be a test to see if I'm allergic or not. What I also wanted to see, but this would be a test after the other one, is if I can use their glitter poly extension gel. And I got this color, but I have no idea what it is. It just says number 13, which is promising. And this is the tube. Again, no information on the box at all. Does it say if it's soak off or not? Oh, this does say it's soak off. So the poly extension gel should probably be soak off as well. But this is a tube. It is a nice tube, isn't it? Again, number 13. I have no idea what this is. We're just gonna open it and see what we have. Oh man, does this always happen to you too? Like, here's a nice lid for you to pull on it and it will break off. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it looks like we have a pink glitter polygel, and that does sound like me. So I'm just gonna try to get it back in the tube. There we go. So first, I would definitely test the clear polygel before testing this one, because yeah, a lot of clear glitter polygels on AliExpress do contain the oxide I'm allergic to. So that was an FYI. I bought a pretty big dipping powder kit set. And as I was looking back at my order, giving feedback today that it arrived and all that, I did notice they did not have this set anymore. It was not available. So I don't, but I think I found the 10 dip powders separately. So I will link those in the description box. And yeah, you can always get the kit by itself, order it by itself. So the kit comes with a base, an activator, a top, and a brush shaver. It comes with a nice brush. You can never have enough of those. And it came with 10 dipping powders. So most of these look the same, but this one is a bit different. So these are all holographic, by the way. These are holographic dipping powders. This is a green one. It's called Green Plum. But this one looks different than all the other ones, as you can see. So this is a purple one. It's called Flipped. And this is a pink one that's called Strawberry Slush. We have Snow Elves. That just looks like a grayish silver one. We have a blue one, Stars in Deep Sea. And this, oh, I have a hard time describing this color. Desire in Summer. It looks like an earthy tone. I really don't know how to describe it. It's a bit green, it's a bit brown. I don't know, but I'm sure it will look stunning on a nail. We have another pink one that's called Dream Garden. What's this? A grayish, dark gray, called Memory. Oh no, this is a dark gray. Never mind. Okay, 12th Night. This is very dark gray. I think it could even be a black holographic glitter, because the colors will always turn out much darker than they look in the jars. This is Watch the Wheatland, and this is a very sort of like nude glitter dipping powder. Okay, so lots of stuff to play with. I'm pretty sure I can use the dipping system just fine. As you can see, we have some polishes in here. Let's start with the most boring ones. That's this one. It's a base coat. Yeah, so I'm not gonna swatch this, but as you can see, it's just it comes with the plastic wrap, and that's it. It didn't came in a box anymore. I'm guessing this one is gonna be pretty boring as well. It says color code, but this is a transfer painting gel for nail foils that I want to test out. And this one is also very boring. It's a blooming gel, so these will all be clear. There's no point in swatching those. But we have 3 that I did have to swatch. Also, because they have this new system where they kind of give you an idea of what is in the bottle, but it doesn't really match. So this is the actual polish, and this, yeah, no, just no, doesn't look like it. Let me open it up and show you. So this is very, very pretty. Very pretty color. It has these nice tiny white glitters in them. And yeah, this is the swatch of it. Didn't do a great swatch, but you know, never mind. And again, we have this that looks kind of blue, holographic, but this is the actual swatch of it, and it is pretty opaque. think this would look perfect over a black gel polish as a sort of like topper. I think this would look stunning. Let me again open it up. So yeah, very, very pretty. And finally, we have one that is quite boring. This would also be something I would use as a topper to spice things up. This is just a silver, not holographic gel polish. Just to add some spark over some color or something. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Okay guys, so that was my haul, everything I had to show you. Lots of stuff to play with, and also some stuff to test out. So if you want to see how this all works out, please stay tuned, please subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, bye!